So the purpose of this first video in the series is simply to have a walk-through, a walk around the outside of the property, and just to look what the challenges are on the outside. Then we will take the inside of the property and look at the challenges on the inside. And then with later episodes, we will show you how to tackle each of these challenges and how to get them cost effectively to a level where the house of value will be improved dramatically. So let's start with the front of the property here, and specifically looking at the garage area and the paving in front of the garage. You will see that the paving in front of the garage is both full of oil, because the previous tenant was a mechanic, and the mechanic left us with a little bit of a challenge in terms of oil stains and oil patches everywhere. So you'll see that the paving is badly stained with oil, and you will see on the right hand side the paving is also no longer level, and some of the paving has been removed or just left unattended. So we would like to try and improve that. Also on the far right hand side you can see just an accumulation of rubbish and dirt. So by eventually sorting out these little things, we will be able to improve the value of the house. I'm also, as we're walking around the property, going to show you a few features of the property, which, if you enhance these features, will be contributing dramatically to improving the value of the property. One of the very nice things about this property is a very well-established avocado pear tree on the right-hand side of the property, which actually bears a lot of fruit. So as an agent, that is one of the things in this property that I'm pointing out to clients. And you'll be surprised how many clients would buy a property based on the fact that an avocado tree, pear tree, is there for them for the future use of avocados. All right. So if we go a little bit further to the garage door and look at the oil spillage. You will see the oil spillage is rather bad, and even oil staining at the bottom of the house, which needs to be repaired, which needs to be removed in order to improve the property. We'll talk about the techniques we're going to use and in a later video. At this point in time, let's just have a look at it. Also, if we look around the side of the house, on the side of the house again, you will see an accumulation of rubbish, stuff that was never removed, just allowed to pile up by tenants in the past. It's interesting to note that in this specific house, you have an old driveway or a previous driveway coming in from the side where a garage door was previously situated to provide additional access to the garage. With this additional driveway, this other driveway, you now have the benefit of additional paving stones which are not being used. So we will talk in a later episode about salvaging paving stones and repairing the rest of the paving in the house. Here you can see the garage door entrance, the previous entrance that we were talking about, which has been bricked up